Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we will be playing, let me see. Don't press the button 7, this game's good. We'll be playing that. I hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. My experience with background noise. I love this game. Kitties! But these kittens are kind of ugly. I'm joking. Well, I'm not actually. Oh! Who destroyed me? Oh! Oh, yes. Watch this. I'm just gonna go. Oh, come on! You couldn't blast me. Oh, if I would have done the door like I was thinking. Yummy. What the? Why am I able to jump so high? No! It's raining tacos from out of the sky. I could have made it if I decided to use my grappling hook like a cheater. But I do that every time, so. Is everyone dead? Yeah, everyone is dead. If it wasn't for me able to jump so high, gosh. Think fast, okay. Or I could have just. Whee. And now I'm gonna grapple over there to you. Oh, or not. Can you get out of the bro? Yes. Put me in there. Oh, yeah. No. It's raining tacos. See? Taco. Banana peel. Slip. Bro, what the? Bro, get me back in there. Take me off. Take me off the map. Oh, come on. Dodge. I hope I don't lag. Because I can easily survive this if I do. Yeah. How do you die from that? Oh, yes. Yes. This is so fun. Bro, it false jumped on me, bro. Why? Because it's easy if it doesn't do that. There we go. Oh, yeah. Banana peel. Be aware of the tsunami. This is all I have to do. Here, hold on. Yeah, there. And you know what? I'll go up there. No. Yes. Yeah, my coin. My coin. My coin. But I want to get that big coin. So I'm actually going to get that. What? No. No. Come on. Down there quickly? Okay. I'm good at this one for some reason. Hamburger. Easy. What is that? You know what? I don't want to know. Actually, I do. Oh, gosh. I'm cheating death. I have a helmet. fidget spinner. This one's easy because they all fall in the same spot. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What the? But now I can't move. Bro, what? Bro, this is actually glitched. There we go. Just gotta stay over there. Oh, my car. No, come on. Get me up there. Get me in there. Bro, the Among Us is so cool. You can turn into Among Us. Bro, stop hoarding the button. See, look, they got to do it. Space rocket. See, all I gotta... Bro, what? Bruh. I'm going up there. Yay. Oh. Let me press the button. Think fast. Okay. There we go. I thought fast. Did he die? Okay. No. Good. Oh! 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 No, get me away from this woman. Yeah, I'm going up there. No, get me away from that woman. Oh, that is not cool. Where'd she go? Oh my god. Oh wait, we're safe then. Why are you laughing? We should be laughing. Ball pit. I love ball. I'm joking. Well. You know, we're going to do one more after this, and then I think I'm going to end the video. Bruh! No! That's not fair. No, I'm doing it again. We're doing another one. No, come on. I have to say that. Bruh, it glitched me. Come on. See, that's not fair. Oh, God! Among Us! You know, that one wasn't that. We're doing it again. Don't get hit by the missiles. What? Oh! Something's making me want to get hit by the missile. Oh, jump. Oh my gosh, he can go up. He can go up. Oh. 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 Oh, get juked. Get juked. Get juked. No shot. Ooh, that was close. Couple. Bye, missile. Avoid the lasers. Oh, crap. Oh, God. Get me up there. You know what? Fine, then. Bye-bye. Oh, this one's easy. We're doing another fun one, and then I'll end the video. Mario! Mario's in. Spin on my fidget spinner. You know what? Banana. Bro, what the? Bro, what the hell? Come on. Oh. 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 Ah. Fidget fidget spinner. Be the last one standing, I bet. Oh, nah. Oh, am I it? Easy. Might as well just get the coins. Oh, yeah. That was cool. I'll play my own version. No need to ask why. Open your mouth and close your eyes. Yummy. I've died from this before. A taco just came down, bounced me off the map. Click the button. Bruh, move. Bruh, move! Here, wait, hold on. Flash. E, dance. Oh, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I'm still dancing. Oh, yeah. Alright, then. I know which way to go. Pizza. Why is that one so easy? Oh, yeah. Tacos. Yummy. Oh, yeah. This one's easy. No, whoa! No! Hamburger. Hamburger. My hamburger. It's a banana next to a banana. Yeah? Alright, just a second. Alright, this is the last one I have to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.